One of the best penthouse apartments is on a quiet block in one of the smallest yet most vibrant and colorful neighborhoods in Manhattan. I'm Allison Draper with Brown Harris Stevens. Welcome to Little Italy. In an area that provides convenient access to the best food shops, Italian restaurants, bakeries, and cafes, hip boutiques, schools, art, architecture, and more. I'm here at Cafe Roma on Mulberry Street enjoying a cappuccino and one of their celebrated cannolis. This street is considered the heart of Little Italy and is historically associated with Italian-American culture and history. When you come to Cafe Roma, don't miss the graffiti mural of Audrey Hepburn on one of its walls. For wood-fired cuisine made from family recipes, come to Marcelino. This restaurant has an outdoor patio that allows you to take in the vibrant atmosphere on Mulberry Street while you dine. If you want some unique vintage clothing, Ritual Vintage is a great spot to come to, where you can find everything from 70s DVF dresses to 80s suede disco mules. It's time to get ready for this evening's festivities, so I've picked up some Danish blue cheese from Maleva Dairy, the oldest cheese shop in America, which has been around since 1892. I'm almost at the apartment, and right here is PS 130, a public school for pre-K through 5th grade, one of the many schools in the neighborhood, including those for language, music, and culinary. Before we head inside, I want to point out this automated parking garage, which residents have access to through the building lobby, making trips out of the city a breeze. This terrace is one of the best places to entertain. The sunsets here are gorgeous, and when the sun goes down, the city lights make for a spectacular backdrop. Time to join the party. I hope you enjoyed a sneak peek into this penthouse apartment. Contact me anytime for a private viewing.